It's your boy GT, man. Out here with Maniacal.
Yeah.
Big homie, you know what I'm saying? Just put me up with some games, put that wisdom in my ear, you know what I'm saying?
Man, that's
Love
the
that,
beautiful
man.
thing that you actually listen to.
Yeah, all the time, man.
A lot of people don't really hear, you know what I mean, what they need to as far as the business. But yeah, man, DJ Maniacal, we out here with my man Furious, you feel me? Run the video shoot, you know what I mean, all that. You know, I've hiding for a couple of years doing some more business, you know, behind the scenes stuff with a group and, you know, making some moves on a business level. But I'm back, 2012, 2013, you know what I'm saying, DJ Maniacal, big us, man. I just got put back on radio on 99.7, so mix show August 11th, you know what I'm saying, I'll be back on radio. You know, I'm out here with my brother Clayton William, you know what I'm saying, my business partner for many months, you know what I mean, he's out here doing his thing, making it happen. Yeah, man, check it out, you know what I'm saying? We got Studio A at a lot of clubs. We're doing a sports turntable thing, bad DJs, you know what I'm saying? DJ Maniacal, Big B, 1025 K on. And we taking it, man, Sacramento, LA, you know, we in San Diego and stuff, you know what I mean? Swag Addict, shout out to Swag Addict, you know what I'm saying? For putting it down for the Bay. I'm out here, you know what I'm saying? So get at me, you know what I'm saying? SAE, no doubt, man. DJ Maniacal, the Twitters, the Instagram,
you gotta let them know what
Facebooks, you know what I'm saying? I'm heavy on the Facebook, so holler at me on the Facebook, you know what I mean? But it's a good year, man. You know, live remixes, production, Clay William, you know what I'm saying? So we doing a whole David Guetta, you know what I'm saying? That whole other route as far as on the DJ. Hey, DJ's is the artist these days, FYI, you know what I'm saying? So we on the come up out here too.
Salute.
DJ Maniacal, man, we out here.
We out here. SAE, man. Get a big